That's Doc Carson in the building. Anyway, got a couple ladies coming over. We're gonna chill, we're gonna kick it. I just want to let y'all see that I did cut it up again. You know, I'm ready for the world tonight. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I got a couple ladies coming over, so I'm gonna treat them up to something nice. I got them a nice little bottle right there. You know what I'm saying? If y'all know anything about that, I don't even drink. This is just for the ladies, just ladies treatment. We're gonna let that fly by. Anyway, to the point. I wrote a little something to the. I wish I could, you know, every girl in the world, but not every one of them. But I wrote a little something to it. Let's spit it at y'all real quick. Just something real freestyle. Just real freestyle. So I want y'all to enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? So Sean Carson. Make sure y'all check my MySpace and share. I'm gonna link y'all up to that. So yeah. If y'all ready, without further ado, here we go. The scooter to every man and every deeper. The wine go and get it like a wide receiver. Don't get it twisted, mama. See, I don't need ya, but I know you do your thing, mama. I see ya. I'ma make you a believer. With keys to the range, with a little spinning chain. See, no, it ain't a thing, cause you been through all the pain. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain. I'm trying to change your last name. S. Carson in the Singers Hall of Fame. Only if you believe it, we can attain. Together at the top and bottom, bitch, remaining name. Yours forever, exclusively claimed. I'm giving up the game, and damn, it's a shame how I do when I do, but baby, I give it for you. And we like her too. We like her. We like her too. We like her. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sanaya Lathan, make it good. Angelina Jolie, what D Woods. Let me stop. Sean Carson. Yeah.